USDJPY, from this very area, market is going to move upward, and that was exact same thing that I've been expecting on this very price action. Because if you take a look at it, it is covered that market has been moving all the way to the downside as predicted, and right now market have possibility from this very area moving all the way to the upside. And one thing that is also very important on this very price action is the fact that this very gap right here have been filled completely. Not only that, market closed below the gap, which is a very interesting thing we need to pay attention to if we really want to be in the right direction in the next week of trading. And this is what I'll be discussing in detail in this very video. And if you pay attention to the Euro USD 4-hour chart, it is covered that this very move right here is a retracement. For me, I'm expecting that the market from this very point move all the way to the upside. So the point of interest that we need to pay attention to right now is this very area right here. And I believe as the market resume on Monday, we should see the market come back down a little bit from this very area into this very point, collect liquidity from here before the next move to the upside. All of these in detail in this very video, so pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. The first thing here is the USDJPY 4-hour chart. I've been on this very price action, and I've been talking about market coming back down all the way to this very point where we have this very gap right here, because it's an important gap on price action, and that is why we see market come back all the way to the downside into this very area. But one thing that is very important here is that when market come back down, the gap was filled at this very point. Remember, we have this very order block right here. This was the last bearish candle at this very point, and then we have a gap here before this very bullish expansion. So this very bearish candle is an important candle to take a look at, in my opinion, and that is why we draw this thing out in my last price prediction on this very pair, USDJPY. So what I am now expecting is very, very different. Market is going to move all the way to the upside, but I don't think we're going to see a new high. What that means is market is going to move from this very area, come down a little bit, and then move upward, but not creating a new high at this very point. Market is going to move upward and then fail, then come back all the way to the downside, because that is what I am now expecting right now before the final move all the way to the upside. And this is what you need to pay attention to as well to be in the right direction of the market. So as market resume on Monday, pay attention to market coming back down just a little bit into this very area, and then market is going to begin to move upward, and then we're going to see market come back down again below this very area of important support. And this is what I am now paying attention to on the USDJPY 4-hour chart. If you take a look at what price action have done in the past, it is covered that there is something very important right here that we should not neglect, not at all. Look at it right here. When market was moving upward, we see this very movement from this very area. Market move, impulsive move from here. We have retracement, impulsive move, retracement, impulsive move, very big right now. And market come back down about 50-60% right here. I think market is going to move upward and fail and come back down again to this very point, and then we're going to see the market then move from this very area all the way to the upside. That is what I am now expecting on this very price action. This may be different from what you're looking at, but if you take this into perspective, it is covered that the one-day charts have high possibility of coming back down a little bit, and that is why I believe the 4-hour chart is going to come back down below this very area after this failed swing that we're going to have next week of trading, then come back down into this very zone, this very area, before the next move all the way to the upside in line with the 1-week chart. Pay attention to this. It will help you align your strategy with what is happening on the 1-week chart and also on the 1-day chart, and you use that to trade it on the 4-hour chart, which is what we call top-down analysis in trading. So this is what I am now expecting on this very price action. And for you to be in the right direction of the market, please pay attention to this. Market have possibility of coming back down after a failed swing, and that is why I will be giving a trade on this very pair in the Telegram channel. If you've not joined the Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video and also in the pinned comment. Join right now. It is a free channel to receive more update like this and trading signal. Euro USD 4-hour chart. If you look at this very price action, in my immediate last price action video, I told you that market is going to move upward. Exact same thing we see right here. But if you notice, there was no structural break. We have the last structure at this very point. This was the last bear candle, this very pin bar formation. Okay, this was the last one. So there was liquidity right here. So market did not even grab liquidity from these very points, because at this very area from here, market come back down, and then we are seeing this drop to the downside. That means liquidity is at this very area, right at this very point. So market is going to come back down because market did not break structure. And if you look at the overall trend, it discovered that market is still in this very downward formation. Market move all the way to the downside, retracement, move downward, create a new low, retracement, move downward, move upward, and right now market is coming back down. I believe that the market is still going to move downward, okay, and I want to take a buy position on this. So what I am now expecting is for the market to come back down from this very area. We should see the market come back down a little bit into this very point to grab liquidity from this very area, and then market is going to move upward into this very area. So I'll be paying attention to taking a buy position from this very area, okay, for market to move upward, because that is what I am expecting right now to happen on the price action. I expect next week Euro USD should move all the way to the upside in favor of the euro. If you look at this chart, market has been coming all the way to the downside on the 4-hour chart in favor of the USD. So next week, I'm expecting that the market favors the euro all the way to the upside, and that is why I am now looking at the market coming back down into this very area and taking a buy position, even though market have not broken structure out of this very point. Moving upward would be a nice idea and a nice thing to do in the market after confirmation. So what I'm going to do is to wait for the market to come back down into this very point, this very area right here. This is where I'm expecting the market to go to, because I expect liquidity to get grabbed from this very point before the next move upward. Once I see that, I will verify that this very retracement all the way from here to this very point have ended. I will drop that signal in the Telegram channel. Join right now. And another thing we need to also pay attention to is there is a high possibility as well for the market to stay within this very area, not grabbing liquidity and begin to move upward. And if that happens, I will also verify that retracement have ended from this very area downward. And once retracement end right here with my verification, I'm going to give that trade as well all the way upward, because I believe a buy position from this very point upward will be the nice idea, or market correct from here to this very point, a buy position will be the nice idea as well all the way to the upside. These are the two things I am not paying attention to on Euro USD. Nevertheless, in any case, market is going to move all the way to the upside, because that is what I am personally expecting right now on this very price action. And that is what you should also pay attention to be in the right direction of the market, which is very, very important right now. And pay attention to this. If you look at the 1-day chart of Euro USD, you discover that the market is still very, very bullish. Look at what the market did in the past right here. Market move upward, we have retracement, market move here, retracement, market move again, and then right now we have retracement at this very point, which means market have high possibility of continuing this move all the way to the upside, because this is clearly an upward trend all the way to the upside. And that is why I believe this retracement right here is gradually coming to an end within this very point for the market to move upward. And that is why I want to take a trade on the 4-hour chart moving all the way to the upside in line with the 1-day chart. And this is what you should also pay attention to on your price action. So to put this into perspective, what is your trading strategy for next week? Is it the same thing with what you're looking at? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. Join our Telegram channel, link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment for more forex updates, news, trading setup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.